How to make a batch delivery. If you want to send a document to several people at the same time, you can use the batch delivery option. And each individual will receive a copy in a separate way. Start like if you were going to send a document the usual way. After clicking Send Document, a pop-up window will appear and here comes the different part. Click on the Batch XLS CSV tab on the top right corner. Now, you just have to upload your list of email addresses in XLS or CSV format. Once you have uploaded the file, the email columns will be marked as signers and all the other should be put in Ignore. Add fields and fill their information in the Excel. To do this, just enter the widget's ID as a header and fill the information below for each signer. For example, the ID for name is text field 01. Once it's done, just set the column with the emails as signers and ignore the rest of the columns. The signer, on the other hand, will receive the document with the fulfilled data according to the Excel sheet. He or she will only need to sign.